Hey guys, I just finished replacing the frames in the hives that got hit by the bears. And what I've done is I'm going to use this bear issue to my advantage. What I've done is I've salvaged what I could with the old frames and everything. I had to rebuild a few of them. What I did is I set these out in front of the hives. I let the bees clean it up. So this whole frame was full of honey. But they cleaned it all out and it's back in the hive. So what I'm gonna do is I have 4 frames just like this. I've rebuilt the wood frame around it, and I've put the waxed sheets in them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as a swarm trap. I have an empty brood box over here with the bottom plank of wood. So what I'm going to do, I already built the main frames for the brood box. I want to take some of them out and replace it with what I did rebuild. First off, these come in the kits for the brood box. Get rid of them. They are shit. They are not excluders. They are propolis guards. They say they are excluders with their kits. They are not. These will kill your bees. So just throw that shit away. Alright, so top off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out 4 of them to replace with the 4 frames I've got. So once I do that, I want to set it out in the neighbor's blackberry patch. They got like 50 feet of blackberries. I want to set it right in front of there. And I'm going to hope a swarm comes along and be like, ooh, this is a perfect spot. And move in. Then, when that happens, this is going to go to another family. One of the families on Kayla's soccer team has a farm and they need some beehives. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. Don't let everything go to waste. I still have some stuff I'm going to throw away, of course. But if there's always room to reuse your stuff, even if you get hit by a bear. You could even use it to your advantage. Anyway, have a good day, guys. Peace.